A British lawmaker has condemned President Mnangagwa's administration for its handling of journalist President Mnangagwa's detention, calling for tangible repersecutions. Mnangagwa has been held for 2 months without bail, sparking concerns about media freedom in Zimbabwe. Zambia mashukabdai panapa chiona kuti aiwa kwanzi Auxilia Mnangagwa officer mass protest in London. Kuno kwanzi ku London ndo kune ma parliamentarians are against the illegal arrest. Blessed Mnangagwa was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timila Mnangagwa community. Lord Johnny Oates, a member of the House of Lords, expressed his deep concern about the plight of Mnangagwa, who was arrested for interviewing a war veteran critical of the government. In Zimbabwe, journalists are consistently silenced, intimidated, and sometimes ridiculed for doing their job. Lord Oates stated, Blessed Mnangagwa's detention is a stark reminder of the regime's hostility towards press freedom. Lord Oates urged British parliamentarians to view Zimbabwe's First Lady, Auxilia Mnangagwa, when she visits the UK in June. When the First Lady speaks at the summit in London, I hope our lawmakers will seize the opportunity to confront her about her husband's authoritarian tendencies and the ongoing detention of President Mnangagwa. He said, the UK government must make it clear that no more relations with Zimbabwe will remain frozen until the ZANU-PF regime respects media freedom and democratic principles. The court action comes amid growing concerns about human rights in Zimbabwe, which remains suspended from the Commonwealth. Zimbabwe activists in the UK are planning protests outside the Flare Summit, where the First Lady is scheduled to speak to highlight the country's human rights abuses. Tomashwarkuda pana parkwezi Auxilia Mnangagwa arongerwa kuti pachauya ku London in June aiwada kuita maprotests against him, vachibvunza about her husband kuti why is it vari kuita repression panapa vachiabusa majournalist, those who are just doing their work. Tuze mafunguro enyu mutudika pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.